good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning to all. Now we want to see the class about how we can make the product with the help of dye.
Right.
Okay. In the previous classes, I can show the different kind of powders or chopped materials. What is the difference between a powder formation as well as chopped? How do you understand it?
Sir, powder material ரொம்ப bonding ரொம்ப அதிகமா இருக்கும். Like a proper mixing of the materials for natural fibers.
Okay.
Chopped piece ஆகும்போது like a proper அதாவது அதில் contribution கம்மியாக தான் இருக்கும். Like a bondings அந்த மாதிரி.
It's not like that. So powder formation in the sense of you want to grind everything. That's why it is a say as a powder formation. Chopped in the sense of you want to cut it approximately the dimension. For example, 5 mm, 10 mm. Likewise, you can cut it. Each fiber content having the same strength. Am I right?
Yes.
Whether you want to grind it or not grind it, the strength is strength. Okay. So once each powder you can take the respective measuring level. So this is taken only for the resin as well as promoters or catalysts. So this is called as vinyl ester resin.
Yes.
Without adding these parameters, the vinyl ester cannot be bonding. So we want to take the penetration quickly, means we want to add these kind of promoters as well as catalysts. So for examples, this is our dye, means first of all we want to apply for the wax. So this wax is penetrate with the it is easily removable from our dye to material. So that's why we can apply with the entire wax to our dye. After that, we want to take the measurable cup along with the resin and as well as the promoters. So once it will be taken as we take any bowls and put it into our natural fiber materials. Either the raw material is directly applied, or we want to choke it, or we want to grind it. So whatever the condition we have it. So once we can settle in the particular dye. So totally it comes under around 3 mm, means we want to insert from 1.5 here and 1.5 here. That's why we can take this is upper dye, this is lower dye. We want to make the combined one, means the 1.5 is combined to the one single layer.
Yes,
that's why our output taken as 3 mm. Okay. So after that we want to check with the proper penetration to the dye. So once we can apply for the wax into the respective dye. So after that we can adding with the resin along with the promoters to the respective level of resins. After that only we take the one bowl and we are adding the natural fiber content to mix proper well. After only we can settle into the respective area. So once it will be closed, so we want to arrest to the entire 4 areas. Either we want to make bolt nuts or threads. We want to arrest to the upper dye as well as lower dye. After that we can adding some weight. That's why the resin or extra particles come over to the layer. For example, 3 mm means we can apply with more than the 3 mm, means the excess portions comes outer to the over layer. After that we are putting to the extra weight to the dye. The extra particles easily come out to the 4 respective restricted areas. After that we can wait for 8 hours, or we can wait for the 12 hours, or we can wait for the more than the days. After that sunlight, the direct sunlight is to the dye, so directly heated to upper dye as well as lower dye. So one day 24 hours we can settle it, and after that day we can remove it, means we can take this kind of product or a material.
I have a doubt on, sir.
Okay.
In case if mixture the contents, if openly we can apply the material like upper side after the upper dye closed, or else we apply the resin on the powders. we can closed after that we put the material this area or this area.
No. How you apply for the upper die as well as same to the lower die.
Yes.
So both things you can fill it. After that only make it a cup. This is the runnerizer. We heard about the foundry layer.
Yes, sir.
So excess material will be transferred. That's why we are putting this area.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See you on the next video.
Thank you,
We
sir.
can conduct the experiment.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.